Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a little break from the WEF vlogs for a very exciting video. For the last couple weeks, I have been able to test out the Dahmer handheld laser, which is a cold laser therapy device that is made to use on horses, dogs, and even humans. But of course, I'm testing it on my horses. As a lot of you know, I have 3 retired horses here at my house, one of which, named Nick, had an injury not that many years ago, and he still sometimes suffers from it. It's one of those things we've never found out what exactly caused it, but his legs still will swell up a little bit, and sometimes he comes out lame depending on if he was running around crazy the day before and various components like that. This cold laser therapy works by penetrating deep into the tissue to stimulate cell activity, increase blood flow, and also just promote natural healing. It can help reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and can even help speed up the recovery of muscle soreness, joint stiffness, soft tissue injuries, and even just like the natural wear and tear of daily activities horses might do. The thing I like most about this device is it's very non-invasive. It doesn't require any drugs or anything like that. And because it's a cold laser, I find it much easier to use on any sort of horse, especially ones that are sensitive, because sometimes the heat can, be a little too much for them. I'm not going to keep yapping y'all's ear off. I'm going to let you watch the video for yourself, but I will leave a link to this laser down below if you guys are interested. I love it, so enjoy the video. I'm here with Nick right now. As a lot of you know, he was retired because of an injury. We kind of never figured out what happened. He's had tons of x-rays, MRIs, he's had PRP injections on his leg. Nothing helped, and you can see where it happened. It's like a big ball on the back of his leg. I received this Dahmer laser, which I'm so excited to try. I've heard so many good things about it. I'm really excited to try it on Nick, and I think he's gonna like it. You want to try it? I wanted to do a little before and after. So in these videos before, you can kind of see on Nick's face, he always looks a little bit worried and anxious, and he definitely has suffered from anxiety. It's not that he's not sweet or anything, but he's just a little bit timid and scared almost of what you're doing rather than interested. Versus after using the Dahmer device, you can see he's like actually fascinated in a good way and is much more active. He's constantly running, bucking, and comes in sound every time. So with that information, enjoy the rest of the video. Don't mind any noise you might hear. That's the other horses eating in the background. But this is what it looks like when you open it. I did already unwrap this the other day. Nick's very curious about what I'm opening over here. It comes in this really nice case, which is great for traveling, especially if you go to horse shows and stuff a lot. Voila. Like I said, I did look into this a little bit the other day, which is why it's slightly taken apart. But this is the laser itself. We're going to go ahead and unwrap it. There she is. So cool. I watched a bunch of YouTube tutorials to make sure I do this right, but overall, just the look of it is such a sleek and cool device. It also comes with this, which I believe goes over it like that. This is just the charger and a little bag to put the laser in. And it also does come with some sunglasses if you need. I'm sure a lot of you have seen like the red light rage. I even have a mask that's like a red light therapy mask. It helps with like acne and stuff like that. The reason they put the sunglasses in is it's not really good for your eyes to be looking directly at it. I don't think you have to wear these. That's not a professional opinion, that's just what I'm saying, but I think you can never be too safe. So there's that. This is just a massage lens for the device. You don't have to use this, but if you wanted to like give a massage, this would be great. We're gonna get this going on his leg. He's looking over here wondering what is going on. They sent this for you to try. Isn't that so nice? So nice, right? Yeah. Okay, you probably can't see super well because he's pretty furry right now. But this right here, it's like kind of a big ball. That's where his injury or whatever caused him problems before is. And it definitely swells up sometimes. So this is what we are gonna laser today, just to like get an idea. And then I will tell you tomorrow if I think it's improved any. Obviously, this is not like a one-time use improvement sort of thing, but I definitely think there will be a difference. Look. He's looking over here like, what's going on? All right, let's give it a go. I'm really excited about this though because, like I said, it's easy to travel, so I can take it to shows if I needed. There it goes. Here. When I'm watching your movie, we're gonna try the massage attachment. He really likes massages on his neck, and I think he's really gonna love this. He's already loving it. He was like falling asleep on my dad's shoulder, which is not like this horse. that is. Alright guys, I'm gonna put them away so we can eat dinner. Okay everyone, it's a few hours later now. I came down to do night check, but we're gonna actually use this again and do it on Angelo and Patton because they were both looking at me when I was doing it on Nick earlier, but I didn't have time, and this also needed to charge because I hadn't like fully charged it yet. So we're gonna do the massage thing on both of them. I think they're gonna love it, you know? It's fun. Alright, we're gonna try him. He'll probably love it. Loves everything, huh?
You must have laid down in this.
I don't know. I think it's just been up in his head. Alright. Just turn it back on, and we're gonna do like the 10-minute one. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Is that nice? I think he likes that.
I flipped around already.
Guys, look, he likes it. He's resting his head on my boyfriend's head.
He does like it. He's just like chilling.
I think he liked it, guys. He's very chilled out. Surprising, because normally he's demanding green. Is that nice? You liked it? I think you liked it, guys. Let's go try Patton now. So far, 2 out of 3 have liked it, huh? Oh, you're so relaxed and snuggly now. All right, let's try the pony. Look, what's this? Ooh. No. You like that? Normally he's trying to run out the door, go get hay, escape. Is this nice? I mean, my boyfriend's behind the camera. He can vouch for me. This is not normal. Normally he's trying to get out and move and eat something. Just standing here, the door's wide open. Yes, he's relaxed.
Very.
Normally, like, love this pony to death. He's a good boy, but like he will always be trying to escape to get food, and like the door's wide open, not trying to move at all. Look at his face. Probably feels nice to see you're an old man. Overall, guys, I think this is a success. Obviously, you have to use it long term to see like crazy results, especially if you're using it like how I was on Nick for an injury to heal. But just overall, I think the horses really like it. Clearly they do. I mean, I've never seen this pony stand so still. I know, it's very nice, isn't it? And even Angela was just like so like chilled out. So definitely going to be using this. I will leave the link to it in my description below. But 3 out of 3 from my horses. Okay guys, I wanted to give this like the true test. So it's about a week and a half, 2 weeks later, and we are still using this. I'm gonna insert some videos of all my horses today to show you how good they feel. They're running around, bucking, jumping like no other. Now, Angelo did have an injury, but he has been retired and doing nothing for a long time. This one, Nick, still comes out lame sometimes, which is why I thought this was best to do on him. And one thing I can say for certain is since we've been using this laser on his leg, he has not come out lame once. But they also just really like it. As you saw in like the last couple of videos, they were so relaxed. Like again, Nick was like falling asleep on my dad's shoulder, and it'd be one thing if it was Angelo or even Patton, but this horse is not like that. Like as you can see, he's eating his hay over here, wondering what on earth I'm doing in this stall. And he's a sweet boy. It's not that he's not sweet, he really is, but he's just not super cuddly like that, and he's very anxious. So for him to be that relaxed, he was definitely feeling something and enjoying it. So we're gonna do this again and just kind of give you my updates. So again, this is the leg. I don't ever think this little bump here is gonna go fully because it's just like a lot of scar tissue, but this definitely can help alleviate some of the pain that it causes. Put it up. Okay, I've put it on the pulse setting on the highest like setting because that is what gets the deepest and that's really what he needs for this area. What's it happening? Is that nice? I've never used this setting before. And look at him looking down here. He's like looking over here like, what is that? I think he's enjoying it and is like feeling something because that horse, again, would not bend down here and be looking at what I'm doing like that. As you saw, he didn't even bother to look when I was doing it on the medium setting, just straight. But as soon as I turned into a higher intensity and to pulse, he was looking down here, huh? He looks so happy after that. You want one little massage? He loves when I do the massage thing, especially on his neck. All right, come here then. Alrighty. Oh, look, he's sad. He's like, why'd you stop? Literally left his stall and he's like, why'd you stop? I'm sorry. All right, y'all, well, this device is definitely approved by my horses. They absolutely love it, especially Nick. I'm so excited that I got to try this, and I'm definitely gonna be using this every day from here on out, especially on Nick's legs. Like, his demeanor is so different. He's so interested in it, and just all my horses, I can tell, are so visibly relaxed after using this laser. I didn't honestly expect there to be as big of a difference as there was, as quickly as there was. It was just insane. And I can also see me using this device like at shows, not just for injury type reasons, but I even have a green horse that is started going to shows, and it can be very stressful. And just seeing how much this made my horses here relax, I definitely think it would be a good tool to use on him to just get him to chill out a little bit if we're in a new place and he's a little stressed or something. So I'm gonna leave the link to this product in the description below. I highly recommend, and absolutely will be using this from here on out with my horses. So with all that being said, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe down below and check out the link for the Domer laser, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.